Frames of Mind. The Theory of Multiple Intelligences by Howard Gardner is a groundbreaking book that redefines the concept of intelligence, moving away from the traditional view of a single, measurable IQ. Gardner introduces the idea that intelligence is multifaceted and that humans possess a variety of intelligences, each independent yet capable of interacting. Gardner's theory was born out of dissatisfaction with the standard psychometric tests and the idea that intelligence is a fixed, innate ability, primarily measured through linguistic and logical mathematical skills. He argues that intelligence should be viewed as a broad set of skills and abilities that manifest in different forms. The 8 intelligences, in depth. 1. Linguistic intelligence. Description: ability to use language effectively for communication, writing, and comprehension. Examples: writers, poets, public speakers, and teachers. Key traits: sensitivity to the nuances, order, and rhythm of words. 2. Logical mathematical intelligence. Description: capacity for logical reasoning, problem-solving, and mathematical calculation. Examples: scientists, mathematicians, engineers, and detectives. Key traits: pattern recognition, abstract thinking, and ability to reason deductively. 3. Musical intelligence. Description: skill in creating, performing, and appreciating music and sound patterns. Examples: composers, musicians, conductors, and sound engineers. Key traits: sensitivity to pitch, rhythm, timbre, and tone. 4. Spatial intelligence. Description: ability to visualize and manipulate objects in space. Examples: architects, artists, pilots, and chess players. Key traits: strong mental imagery, spatial reasoning, and sense of direction. 5. Bodily-kinesthetic intelligence. Description: mastery of body movements and coordination to express ideas or create products. Examples: dancers, athletes, surgeons, and craftsmen. Key traits: dexterity, physical control, and tactile sensitivity. 6. Interpersonal intelligence. Description: ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Examples: teachers, therapists, salespeople, and politicians. Key traits: empathy, social skills, and sensitivity to others' moods and motivations. 7. Intrapersonal intelligence. Description: deep understanding of oneself, including personal strengths, weaknesses, and emotions. Examples: philosophers, writers, psychologists, and spiritual leaders. Key traits: self-awareness, emotional insight, and reflective thinking. 8. Naturalist intelligence. Description: ability to identify patterns in nature and classify flora and fauna. Examples: biologists, environmentalists, farmers, and botanists. Key traits: sensitivity to nature, ecological awareness, and keen observation of the environment. Gardner's research was influenced by neuroscience. Brain damage often affects one ability while leaving others intact, suggesting separate neural systems for different intelligences. Anthropology. Different cultures value and cultivate distinct types of intelligence. Developmental psychology. Children learn and develop skills at different rates and through various modes. Applications of multiple intelligences. First, let's talk about education. Gardner's work truly transformed education by encouraging teachers to tailor learning to diverse student strengths. Classrooms began integrating music, art, and hands-on activities to engage different intelligences. For example, a lesson on geometry might involve drawing, which taps into spatial intelligence, constructing models for bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and group discussions to engage interpersonal intelligence. Next, in the workplace, organizations utilize the theory to build diverse teams, recognizing the value of varied skill sets. Leaders with high interpersonal and intrapersonal intelligence often excel at managing teams and fostering collaboration. And lastly, for personal development, understanding personal intelligence profiles helps individuals align careers with strengths, improving satisfaction and performance. Criticisms and debates. One major point is the lack of empirical evidence. Critics argue that Gardner's intelligences are more akin to talents or skills rather than distinct forms of intelligence. There's also the overlap of intelligences. Some suggest that intelligences like interpersonal and intrapersonal are closely related, raising questions about their independence. And then there's the issue of testing and measurement. Unlike traditional IQ tests, there is no standardized way to measure multiple intelligences. Despite criticisms, Gardner's theory reshaped the educational landscape, promoting inclusivity and recognizing diverse talents. His work laid the foundation for differentiated instruction, personalized learning, and holistic development approaches. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on educational theories and practices.